In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke in Adobe Premiere. Whether you're looking to create a simple highlight around a text or a shape, this feature can really enhance your video projects and give them that professional touch. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Adobe Premiere Pro software. Make sure your project is loaded and ready. Once you've ensured that everything is set, we'll proceed to the next step, which involves using some of the powerful tools Adobe Premiere offers for graphic editing. Now, let's head over to the toolbar. Look for the rectangle tool, which is normally visible on the left panel of the screen. Click and hold on to the rectangle tool to reveal multiple shape options. This is where Adobe Premiere shows its versatility. You can choose any shape you desire for your project needs. It could be a circle, a triangle, or even stick to the default rectangle. The choice is yours. Select the shape that best fits your visual preferences or design requirements. Once you've picked the shape of your choice, go to the Preview panel. Click and drag on the section where you want your shape to appear. This gives you the freedom to place it precisely where you want it in the frame. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners of the shape box to your liking, bigger or smaller depending on your needs. With the shape in place, direct your focus to the Effect Controls panel. This panel is usually located on the upper left, or it can be accessed by pressing Shift+5. Here, navigate to the Graphics tab and click on your shape layer. The settings here give you deeper control over the minute details of your shape. Now, we're getting to the exciting part. Look under the Shape section, and you'll find a checkbox labeled Stroke. Clicking on this checkbox activates the Stroke feature, allowing you to create an outline around your shape, adding that nice finishing touch that helps the shape stand out and draw attention. But wait, there's more you can do here. Once the stroke is activated, you'll notice options to edit the color and size of the stroke. Simply drag the value sliders to increase or decrease the stroke size to get the exact thickness you desire. As for the color, click on the color box to open a palette that lets you choose any hue that matches your project's theme or your envisioned design style. And just like that, you've successfully added a stroke to a shape in Adobe Premiere. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to enhance your videos with stylish shapes, giving you that extra edge in your creative projects. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.